You might know this classic Looney Tunes character as Taz the Tasmanian Devil. He was always making strange noises and devouring crazy things such as rocks and cars. You may also be surprised that this character is based on the real Tasmanian Devil found on the island of Tasmania in Australia. Just like its cartoon counterpart, the devil eats just about anything, from rotting meat to kangaroos to fruit and even fish. This is because the devil is a scavenger. Scavengers are like the garbage men of nature, eating any leftover scraps. Most carnivores won't eat meat off already dead animals, but devils will eat anything, bones and all. They have very strong stomachs so they can keep all of that stuff down. This allows them to eat very quickly, being able to consume up to 40% of its body weight in half an hour. For humans, that's like eating a 50-pound steak in one meal. Because they are scavengers and have the strongest jaw for its body size of any mammal, they are often found eating shoes, clothes, plastics, and any other human garbage. Even though this animal can eat just about anything, it still can end up traveling up to 30 miles in one night looking for food and shelter, sometimes even swimming for fish. However, their absolute favorite food are wombats. These burrowing, bear-like creatures are small enough for the 15-pound devil to hunt directly, and they contain a lot of nutrients. But not only do wombats provide a perfect food source for devils, they also provide shelter as well. Old wombat burrows are prized dens for both hiding in during the day, as they are nocturnal, and also raising young. After leaving their mother's pouch, Tasmanian devils live mostly solitary lives, only coming in contact with each other to eat and mate. Devils are notorious fighters, especially over food, and so the sound of a devil eating will attract others and they will probably end up fighting each other over the food. These fights can be very loud, attracting even more hungry devils. It probably sounds something a little like this. This method for eating and the constant fighting between devils has contributed greatly to the rapid spread of the disease that has caused cancers on the face of devils. This disease, combined with human hazards, is bringing the devils closer and closer to extinction. Since its discovery in 1996, the devil's facial tumor disease, or DFDT, has devastated the devil population, reducing it by 90% in under 20 years. Current research is being feverishly done to try and save these unique predators, and great progress is being made. But like with all cancers, the answer is not very simple. The disease is one of the few cancer-causing ones, and is spread through almost every interaction the devils have. If this decline in devil populations is not stopped soon, we could end up seeing a repeat of what happened with the Tasmanian tiger. The Tasmanian tiger went extinct in 1936, and since then the devils have taken over as the biggest predator on the island. Predators like these keep prey populations from getting too big and eating all the plants. So if the next biggest predator to the tiger, the devil, went extinct, the whole island could lose a whole lot more than just the devils. Not only do these devils keep prey populations from getting too big, but by eating all that rotten meat they are limiting the amount of fly eggs that can get laid, and therefore the amount of flies on the island. This prevents the spread of diseases carried by the flies. The Tasmanian devil is an amazingly dynamic animal that is crucial to the health of Tasmania, and needs to be protected to ensure the species and the island survives.